Hello children, today we are going to start with practice set 6.3. So let us start. First question. The following table shows the information regarding the milk collected from farmers on a milk collection center and the content of a fat in the milk measured by a lactometer. Find the mode of fat content. So here content of fat percentage is given in a form of a class 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and so on up to 6 to 7. And milk collected is given in liters 30, 70, 80, 60 and 20 respectively. So while doing this, finding the mode, very easy. Class content of the fat percent we will take as a class and frequency whatever is given. Here the maximum frequency we have to select. For example, the maximum frequency is given as 80. So therefore the model class will be 4 to 5, in which 80 is given. Here it is 4 to 5. The highest frequency is 80. That class will be the model class. L will be the lower class limit of the model class, that equals to 4 here. Class interval of the model class is H, is taken as 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. F1, model class frequency whatever is taken as F1. F0, frequency of the class preceding the model class, means the previous class. So 80's previous class is 3 to 4, whose frequency is 70. So we'll take FO as 70 and F2 as the succeeding class, that is next class 5 to 6, whose frequency is 60. So it will be F2 as shown in the figure. When you draw the chart, please write F1, F0, F2, everything on the table. No need of writing all these things. Only write L equals to H equals to F1, F0 equals. Now, mode equals to L plus in bracket F1 minus F0 upon twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So, substituting the values and calculating. First calculated the bracket here and then simplify it, you will get mode equals to 4.33. The mode of the fat content is 4.33%. Question number 2. Electricity used by some families is shown in the following table. Find the mode of use of electricity. Use of electricity, here it is given in the form of a class as unit and number of families as frequency. So write class and frequency, which is maximum 100 here. So take 100 as class as model class, 60 to 80 it is coming, 100 as F1, previous class frequency as F0, it is coming 70, F2 is coming 80, lower class limit will be 60 and class interval will be 80 minus 60 equals to 20. So H equals to 20. Again the formula remains the same. Mode equals to L plus in bracket F1 minus F0 upon twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 bracket close into H. Substitute the values and calculate. You will get mode equals to 72. So the mode of use of electricity is 72 units. Don't forget to write the units for every answer. Question number 3. Group frequency distribution of supply of milk to hotels and the number of hotels is given in the following table. Find the mode of the supply of milk. Milk is given in liter in class wise 1 to 3, 3 to 5 and so on up to 11 to 13, and frequencies are given, number of hotels. So write the class milk in liter and frequency number of hotels. Which is the highest frequency here? 35. So which will be the model class? 9 to 11. Therefore, lower limit will be L equals to 9. Class weight will be 11 minus 9 equals to 2. And its frequency is F1 35. F0 of the previous class, that is 20, F2 of the succeeding class, that is 18. Substitute the value again in the formula. Mod equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Substitute the value. Here you get mod equals to 9.9375. Approximately it equals to 9.94. The mode of supply of milk is 9.94 liters approximately. Question number 4. The following frequency distribution table gives the ages of 200 patients treated in a hospital in a week. Find the mode of ages of the patients. Age is given in years. Here you see the first column is given less than 5 and 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29. So here it is not in continuous class. We have to make the continuous class and then do. Number of patient is given as frequencies. So here is there class age in years less than 5. 5 to 9 years, 10 to 14 years. As we say, less than 5, so it can be 0 or 4.5. As I told you, to make the continuous class, if it is 9 to 10, then 0.5 you have to subtract from the lower limit of the class and add 0.5 to the upper limit of the class. So here definitely age will not be negative there. So it will be 0 to 4.5 first class. Then in next class 4.5 to 9.5. Third will be 9.5 to 14.5 and so on. Frequencies as given. What is the maximum frequency given? 50. So that will be the model class. So which L will come what? L equals to lower limit of the model class, which is having continuous class. So 9.5 will be the lower class limit of model class. Width 14.5 minus 9.5 of continuous class only we have to take this also. So it will be 5. F0 previous class frequency 32 and succeeding class frequency F2 will be 36 and F1 as you know of the model class only F1 equals to 50. Again in the same formula mod equals to L plus F1 minus F0 upon twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Substitute the value and calculate. You will get 12.3125 approximately 12.31. The mode of the ages of the patient is 12.31 years approximately. In next video, we are going to study about histogram. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.